Soundstripe.
In this video, we're going to show you how to use the Tuya app to connect your RGB light kit to Wi-Fi. This connection will allow a million permutations, but I'm a geezer now. I'm not going to really show you the whole million. We'll get you started though. From the Apple or Google store, download the Tuya Smart application. We're good to sign up as a guest for demonstration purposes, but we suggest you create a personal account now on your phone. Click Sign Up and select your country code. Then enter the email address you want to use to log in and press Get Verification Code. You'll receive an email containing your verification code. Enter that code and create a personal password and press Completed. Once you're signed up and inside the app, click the ± sign on the top right corner of the screen and select Add Device. You will then be asked to connect to your existing Wi-Fi. If your device does not automatically connect via Wi-Fi Bluetooth, you will need to unscrew the lid of the control box and double tap the Match Set button. Once successful, the run light will turn solid blue. You can then put the lid back on your control box. Now we'd like to show you how to use white. The top left panel on the Tuya control interface that says white unfortunately does not work with this box, as this box is RGB only. Instead, to create the color white, select Color on the top panel. To make your own shade of white, select either a blue shade for cool white or a yellow shade for warm white, and use the sliders at the bottom to adjust the brightness and saturation. The color panel on the Tuya control interface controls static RGB lights. Static means just one solid color at once. Tap the color wheel to get the color of your choice. Then use the sliders at the bottom to adjust the brightness and saturation. So far, we've just shown you how to control static colors. Now we're going to move on to scenes and sequences. To either flash or fade between colors, or to create your own custom color sequence, you will need to go to Scene on the Tuya control interface. Here you can select any of the 8 included scenes and program to the colors and sequence you prefer. For example, select the scene named Gorgeous and hit Edit on the top right. You will see the basic colors it flashes through. Here you can change the colors, add new colors, as well as change the flash mode and speed. Keep in mind, while adjusting the speed and flash modes, the LEDs will not show all of your sequence changes until you select Submit. You can move between gorgeous, dazzling, colorful, and soft. If a scene freezes, always return to gorgeous to restart. A note here though, because they are pre-programmed for the basic white color wheel that is not included in this RGB only unit. The following scenes will not automatically be programmed to RGB: night, lead, working, and leisure. To change those settings, we're going to use the scene called Night as an example. When you hit edit on the top right, under scene name, you'll see the word scene color with a brownish circle underneath. Click the color circle and it will show you these two options. Select the RGB color wheel on the left. Now you can choose the shade you prefer for nighttime and adjust the color and brightness. Don't forget to click submit to save the new night scene. Static is one solid color. Flash will have the colors automatically changing between them. Breathe will fade between the colors, creating gradient-like shades to appear in between each selected color. You can adjust the speed by finger mousing with the slider under color flash speed. You will not see the changes until clicking submit. Now we're going to show you how to use timers and schedules. On the bottom of the control interface, you will notice a left and right option for timer and schedule, as well as a middle on-off power button. On the left of the power button is timer. Here is where you can select how long you want your lights to be on each day. On the right of the middle power button is schedule. Here you can add multiple schedules that you'll be able to disable and enable easily within the app. Clicking add schedule, you can select a specific time of day or night you'd like your LEDs to come on. This works in sync with the timer option, so that you can set the lights to turn on at a specific time, as well as how long the lights will run for. Under the time you select, you'll see repeat, note, notification, and an on-off toggle button. Repeat is where you will set the days you want to schedule your color or sequence. You can choose as many days of the week as you want. Just make sure to check mark the days you want to schedule for, then go back hitting the left arrow button on your top left. Under note, you can add a description to make it easy if you have multiple schedules. If you click notification, it will send your smartphone a notification every time your scheduled LEDs turned on or off. Make sure you have enabled notifications on your smartphone for Tuya, or this will not work. The music panel of your lights allow your phone to listen to any detectable music for your lights to dance along to. So ensure your music source is close enough for your phone's microphone to detect. For this feature to work, the Tuya app will need to be allowed access to your phone's microphone. If it is not, you can change this feature in your phone settings. I know it's been a lot to go through. We hope the video helps. Thank you for checking out fountaintechpumps.com.